Just did another Gucci custom for another customer. I don't know why people like this stuff so much. I wore these to go to the mechanics and I had them crying. Hold up. This is the right side and this is the left side. As you can see, I didn't paint both sides the same. I painted them in alternating, so like where one is green, the other will be red. Where the other is red, it'll be green. Only thing I did the same was the back. The Jumpman one is red, one is green. As you can see, yeah. But a lot of people like this look, for real. Some Gucci 6s. Tell me about that.